Alright guys, yeah man, so fully outside again. Yeah man, we just prepare some sauce, you see me I say? Yeah man, for the jerk chicken. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is here, you know, it's like I have some Heineken, couldn't get any red stripe guys, so if I had the red stripe I would have the red stripe to spray it on the chicken while it's in the grill, you know me I say? So as you can see, yeah man, some jerk chicken fully outside up and running. Okay guys, so I'm making the sauce for the jerk chicken. So some secret ingredients are in this that I can't expose. So it's just different, you know what I say? Yeah man, flex Jamaican cuisine style. But I'm gonna show you guys that I add like a shot of Jamaican overproof white rum. You see me I say? Yeah man. To my sauce that I'm gonna pour. I don't know certified mixologist, so I don't have to measure. That's a shot. Yeah, and a shot of cranberry juice. Yeah. And that is it, guys. So what I'm gonna do, no fancy thing. We just do it like how we do it in a Jamaica. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna pour it into a bottle where I put some holes in the cork, and I'm gonna pour the sauce in the bottle that I'm gonna spray on the chicken. So I don't want it to waste, guys, so I'm just pouring it over this. Yeah man, that is it guys. So yeah man, just stay tuned guys and big up on yourself. If you don't know Flex Jamaican Cuisine, yeah man, just big up to my YouTube channel and all of my fans, all my supporters who've been supporting my YouTube channel. Big up on yourself to the world, you know what I say? Yeah man, so what I do guys, I apply this on the chicken. So I need to, yeah, make sure I have the hole that I bore in the cork. Yeah, make sure the hole is open properly. Yeah. I want that, guys.
I need to be that on there for you.
What is? Feel me?
You don't know Neely, my brother.
So what I did that.
The address now become a some area. The man reach outside and turn on down. He said, brother, we give you our address. You knock on the fucking bell. Not true, what I?
Yeah.
Yeah, can we give you our address, don't it? He said, well, I see a SUV outside, you know, man, you're gonna let him bum up. That, you know, sense, man.
Yes, guys, so, yeah, man. Jamaican, so I can use anything certified mixologist. Yes, matter? Yeah, man. So, use the Heineken, get some real smoky flavor on these chicken, guys. Bam! Yeah, man, that is it, guys. So, just big up to the world. Yeah, man, Dallas, Texas with the jerk chicken, like in Jamaica. Yeah man, so just stay tuned guys and big up on yourself. Yeah man, remember guys, just keep supporting my YouTube channel Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Really appreciate what you guys been doing for such a long time. You know, you keep subscribing to my channel, like, you know, comment, you know, yeah man, you guys keep me going for real. So no doubt, much respect. I really appreciate you 100%. Yeah man, one love.
Yeah. I want him to love him for me area. Is it for me area? Me just love my area. Also, yo, nobody never disturb it a blood clean. That's why, yeah, other day, we could have moved over there, you know. Cause Elise come and sit and I just tell manager, say, yo, just sign up your back for yourself. Right, that's how you come there. Brother, we can have that full blast.
Outside?
You know, yeah. Then the neighbor, when I see you pull up to the neighbor and what she a play in her truck. The heavy metal sitting. You see neighbor them and music people them too. So me just glad me drop this out.
Watch out. Now one neighbor there so.
Me know man.
I want a man to like it. I want a man to like it. I want a man to like it. So me have neighbor every side road.
And that's why I tell you, say, me just glad to me leave this out too. Cause me never want to drop one ear away like this away. Cause you know to me a music man.
Yeah.
Me never want to drop one ear them out say. Excuse me. Everybody roll this on. Nothing no bother me up there so. Me glad you fuck. I'm glad. I'm glad. Me have all that the crack in your hole. Me can put in a garage, me can put yours in it. Yeah. Me all clean up all the truck to blow and me just put you.
Yeah. Whole lot of life. But what's happening there?
You don't care one for me.
Andy, when you're done with the fork, just put this over the fork. I'm a pitch from the
Yeah, go back in there. No. Yeah, go back.
You ever find me? Can swim? I have long hair like you. You look like a mermaid, a pretty one.
What is nearly?
A pretty mermaid.
What am I?
Is it hot?
No. I'm not very what I know, man. How you don't know? I mint them there, Dan. How you?
Yeah, I mean.
I want to make a piece of that smelling. I bet you never hear what I know. Never hear know all
Yeah, man, I mint them now. Different kind of
That's a
mint.
peppermint.
Yeah.
And then
I don't know what I mean.
but that's a peppermint.
Yeah.
And this a regular mint.
Yo.
Like the police boy now, come. No, boys, like, you don't really need to
Say no, man.
fish.
I say, I'm a brother that man. If you say Ray, my brother.
Tell me what it is. What is it? What are those? Them around there, someone come look funny in them. Yeah, come there, son. Them. Yeah, man.
You see all the one in the SRT? You see you want to test drive it before me ride that one there? He just like a bit too low, but you see if it's engine and it turn on really, you hear. It's heavy.
Yeah, heavy.
But
Then put the heavy them on steroids, you know they call it. Hellcat.
yo, me no want when me a come in, people know see I'm a virgin. Me no like it.
That's a Dodge. You get that
Hey,
Dodge or Mustang.
You know what you want, Sharon? You want the original Jamaican fly catcher. You see when you put 2 years so? 1 million is here and catch for
Where
here.
did they run? They alone. Yeah, they alone.
You see 1 million fly upon here already, man. Quick and fast. I know so that one in
I miss, man. Let me see.
you know daddy more get up back, stamp him.
And it's like they just gravitated to
So Sharon. Eh?
Here, now keep going.
kill them all.
We'll kill 100. I'll see what
So, Sharon, you make a video out just already?
No, I have not. I need to do one.
Bigger Jamaica family. Me tell you, when I come my family small enough, I know get bigger. I'm in the giant family coming up. Where is Them are idea.
Hey, you know why wickedest thing with that Andy? Get and tell me about. The same beer area. Yes, when you go so.
Put beer on here already, man. I have one pull down and say, I'm going to take up.
I want never take up by
I
accident.
go there, you take up, man. Like that.
No, I want new one this. Like me drink coffee or something. Come here, think of mine.
You have one when me does.
So I did eat.
You have one also when me does.
Come here, I say how one missing from the catalog. Like,
That's good.
Figure out something that's gonna like attract so they
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
They have the
Oh, yeah.
fly tape.
I have that, but it doesn't work.
don't work?
I tried it. Yeah.
Anytime you go Jamaica, man, bring up 2 of those.
Yeah, I
From
tried it.
Jamaica.
They don't
Can
work.
I say something to you? And I want to listen to me very carefully, okay? You see, just like how we gotta live, we gotta eat, we gotta have a good time. Oh, on the flyers, they wanna eat, they wanna have a good time, they wanna party at American. So leave them alone, they gotta party. They're partying.
You just protect your.
Just protect your stuff. They gotta party, they gotta have a good time, they gotta eat. If they don't, let me see what's happening. Huh?
It keeps on pushing me in different
It's pushing you?
directions.
Oh, that's a bad chlorine.
Okay, let me give you some more bubbles. You want some bubbles? Okay.
Bubbles is always good.
Ooh, there goes some
They look
bubbles.
good, boy.
You guys got
They
some
look good, boy.
bubbles now.
So chicken, the juice.
You got some bubbles.
Chicken, the juice, chicken, the juice.
Yeah, man.
Hey, if you're different boy there.
No, because
Yeah,
it's
man,
hot,
man,
so I
tell me,
can't make it colder.
But we are good still on, but I show you.
When you have your people around you, you're happy. Yeah, I know that. I know you are very social person. So when you're just with me, you're happy. When you're not
Alright, guys, so chicken almost ready, you know? Yeah, man. So, it's giving them the final touch.
Yeah,
I said them with that thing.
yeah.
The sprinkler them.
Them man, man, the one that come on.
They haven't rotated.